Hello, and welcome to CyprNet Solutions. I'm glad you're here. At CyprNet Solutions, innovation begins where complexity ends. We are an independent software studio built on innovation, precision, and purpose. Founded with a simple idea, to transform real-world expertise into practical, distraction-free software. We create custom Android, Windows, and API-driven tools that make advanced technology accessible to everyone. As a fast-moving startup, we use modern AI development platforms to turn ideas into working applications faster than ever before. Each product reflects hands-on collaboration with industry experts across technology, networking, and security. Our mission is to build software that is clean, focused, and effective. No ads. No pop-ups. No clutter. Just tools that work. Whether it's mobile utilities, network automation, or workflow integration, our goal is to deliver professional-grade solutions at a fair, one-time, or low-cost price, depending on platform. CyprNet Solutions continues to grow through creativity, transparency, and a commitment to quality software that truly helps people work smarter. Visit our YouTube channel for walkthroughs and details on our individual applications. Thank you for visiting CyprNet Solutions. Software Simplified.